Hello guys, welcome to my mini kitchen. Like, subscribe and ring the bell. Support to Lickit and Veronica channel. Today we make French fries. Do you like French fries? Yummy, right? I like it. Okay guys, let's take a pot. Put it on the stove and put some water. Let's start on the stove. Okay, let's add some salt. The water is boiling. After it boils, we need to add the potatoes. Oh, it's already boiled. Let's be careful. Let's put the cap. Let's wait. Let's mix it. It's so yummy. Let's do it slowly. And then now we just need to wait. Okay, let's open it and see it. Wow, it's cooking. Look. So tasty. Let's stir it. Let's take another bowl. Oh, okay, let's put this on top. Let's put the potatoes into this. Let's add some salt. 3 spoons of salt. To spread it. Let's add some corn flour. Put it in the bowl.